Just to recap, the way we're looking at Andhra Pradesh, all of you know we're particularly a long state. We have the second longest coastline. We have 4 operational ports. 4 more are going to come on stream in the next 24 months. Saying that, again, just to recap, the Anantapur region, which is the southern tip, which borders by Karnataka, is the automotive valley. And I think Kia is a great example of speed of doing business. We've done it, we've proven it. I think India can move. So again, Kia is doing exceptionally well based out of Andhra Pradesh. Then that brings us to Kurnool, which is our entire renewable energy hub. The solar, wind, pump storage hybrid projects are coming out of there. And post the drone summit, the Honorable CM has announced that Kurnool will be our drone valley. So we're going to create a sandbox from a regulatory framework perspective and so on and so forth to get Kurnool started in that ecosystem. Chittoor and Kadapa is now the electronics hub. We were manufacturing close to 25% of the cell phones in India. Last 5 years it was a bit of a pause in that sense, so we have actually degrown back to 5%. We now need to sort of reinvigorate that entire ecosystem, but we already have amazing players. Andhra manufactures almost 50% of India's air conditioning, and there's going to be a few announcements in the white goods space coming out soon. So it's not just about the high tech, we also care about the low tech. Jobs get created across the spectrum. Prakasam district is where your entire biofuels ecosystem is coming out as part of our ICE policy, integrated clean energy policy. We have the entire biofuel ecosystem coming out of Prakasam district. Of course, Krishna Guntur is all about the capital region. And Amravati, which was on a pause, will now be accelerated. Government of India has been very kind, and we're going to see close to about $5-6 billion worth of investment coming in to a greenfield city that India has not really built for the last few decades. So this will be in a true spirit a greenfield city where it's not just about capital alone, it's about social infrastructure, creating economic activity of that. So Amravati will be on hyperdrive. Works are expected to start by December.
ఈ వీడియో కనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్టయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. అలాగే పక్కనే ఉన్న బెల్ ఐకాన్ని క్లిక్ చేయండి.